giving shapes to modern buildings, stability and sustainability to architecture structures, and above all, safety to its users. Ozone, architectural hardware solutions. Ozone has achieved many accolades to its credit by serving countless prestigious projects world over with its innovative, technologically advanced and quality products. Glass Age, Door Control Series, Ozone Motion Series, Ozone. We have in-house architects and product designers team to deliver desired results at the right value. The success of Ozone Group has intensely been strengthened by state-of-the-art manufacturing units located in India and overseas. We ensure the fastest supplies as well as the best quality made from our latest automated machines. Every product is quality tested across multiple parameters for structural integrity and safety, and then sent to strategically located warehousing, logistics and distribution facilities. With our wide network of over 1500 best-in-class certified dealer outlet, Ozone brand is considered as an epitome of a service provider who keeps its customers at topmost priority in every action. Our customers form an integral part of our value system. A dedicated customer care and logistic network backed with SAP and a strong IT support enable us to supply products and services in time with proper after-sales support. In line, Ozone roll out a chain of display cum training center, the Ozone Hub, a place where you can see, touch and feel the products that we create with such pride and passion. With best machinery, technology and products, distribution network, workforce and commendable leadership, Ozone marching ahead for growth and excellence with confidence. Ozone, architectural hardware solutions